Some school psychologists don't know this, but Sophia can take your 30-page report and turn it into a one-page summary. Let me show you. You're going to go to School Psych AI, click on Tools, and then click on Summarizer. The side panel will pop out. You're going to click on the file that you want to add and give it a title. And then you're going to click on the audience members that this summary is intended for. Maybe it's for parents, maybe it's for a classroom teacher. You can even click on Show More and find all kinds of different roles on multidisciplinary teams. And then you're going to click on Summarize. And as it's thinking, it's pulling in all of the information from that PDF, thinking about the particular audience members that you've selected, and it's going to give you a summary in a very structured format. So as you can see, it pops up down here, sample summary. I'm going to click on view, and true to School Psych AI, starting with student strengths, following that with reason for referral, any relevant history, summary of the findings, and then recommendations, because it's all about those actionable next steps to support our young people. Once you have that information, you can click on download and then drop that information wherever it needs to go. Maybe you're putting it together for an upcoming IEP meeting. Maybe you're putting it together to talk with a parent about some results. Either way, this tool can definitely help get those lengthy reports down to one page. Give it a try and let us know what you think.